So continuing from the earlier vlog, if you have not checked, please go and check it, guys.
Yeah, banana.
सिक्योरिटी कोड नहीं है हमारे।
This is reception area.
Not in the Marathi, only English.
So this is the entrance. I'll just go and check with the reservation. तो ये हाईवे है. This is the highway, and highway की just side में this beautiful place is there. It's huge. So nice. कोई है ही नहीं रिसेप्शन एरिया पे. So they have a beautiful vibe, and I just love this. So cute. This is the outfit of the day. Yeah, you like this place?
Yes.
So now we'll be completing the check-in formalities और फिर हम जाएंगे अंदर. Come. So beautiful.
Yes. So beautiful, na?
Yes.
रास्ते है ना।
सोडा है. But this is matching, so much matching.
ब्लू।
Everything blue.
You go पाहिजे.
Sit now. Come here.
You go पाहिजे मला.
So this is their restaurant, and they have a small bar counter as well. Okay, and this is how the restaurant is. It's chilling cold over here. So now हम लोग रुके हैं for our check-in, and once we check in, we are waiting to dive in the pool. So they have a private pool set up for each of the room. I think yes, one room is without the pool, and another one which we have taken is including the private pool. So I have never been in private pool, so मुझे वो experience करना है. I hope this goes well and we enjoy a lot. Let's see. Stay tuned, guys. Hello, what? काय झालं? अरे
पकड.
So now we have done the check-in. Abhi we are going towards the room, and this is their lawn area, which is quiet. And यहाँ से straight जाके we'll have the rooms at that end of the Come. खाली बघ. So go walk.
No.
ते काका चाललेत बघ.
कोणताही पकडणार नाही.
ये इथे माझ्याकडे।
अभी बहुत टाइम स्पेंड हो गया वहाँ पे. तो अभी आई थिंक 20 मिनट्स हो गए वहाँ पे. अब हम लोग चेक इन करेंगे, एंड आई विल शो यू द व्यू. येते आवी. सो ये एंट्रेंस एंड हमने अंदर जाके पूरा सामान सेट कर दिया है. दिस व्यू इज़ बेटर है ना. सो यहाँ पे एंट्रेंस है एंड वंस यू एंटर फ्रॉम हियर यू हैव अ टीवी एंड इट्स लाइक दिस. यहाँ पे एक बेड है, दैट्स द वॉशरूम एंड देन यू गो अप फ्रॉम हियर. तो दे हैव अ सेटअप ऑफ बेड. सो अगर आप ग्रुप में आ रहे हो like 5 or I think 4-5 people, then this is how comfortable it will be, right? Let's get down and I'll show you the. So I have changed and this is the bathroom. It's good. So ये रहा room tour and the best part of this, okay, so you have this also, there's one locker and then a fridge, okay, and yes यहाँ पे you also have your iron in case if you want to iron your clothes. And the best part is this, जिसके लिए मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ, this private pool, and kids are already there. So kids as in these 2 kids that I have. She's just scared to get in the water. This is the private pool and we have all our beach ka set. Swamini, why you scared? I showed you now how to swim. This is the outer view. Yay! Daddy is so much enjoying. Look at you. Now I'll be doing up with my makeup and once done I'll also head in the pool. Sunscreen is a must. मैं एक्चुअली अपना माइक भूल गई हूँ घर पे. Forgot the mic. I just love यहाँ का जो लाइटिंग है ना, मुझे बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. This dim light is always my favorite. Let me just quickly apply some sunscreen. Let's go. And here I am waiting to get into the pool. This girl is already enjoying. Swamini, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so for all of those who wants to know, this outfit is from Myntra. मैंने अभी recently order किया था because हम यहाँ पे आने वाले थे for the weekend and that's why I ordered this outfit. I absolutely loved it and it's giving perfect mermaid vibes. नहीं होते वो वैसे वाले vibes दे रहा है मुझे ये outfit. Feels like to go to the beach. But yeah, now we have the private pool and I'm going to have so much fun. See you guys. So this is the evening view. Right now we are inside and look at the sun. कैसे chill कर रही है मस्त में. कैसे chill कर रही है. Look what's going on. This is what she's watching. Look at her. He has some work to do. इसका कुछ काम चल रहा है. तब तक me and Swamini will just relax.
Mommy.
Yes.
No put down my place for it.
सॉरी. एग्जॉस्टेड, बट वो एक जो एग्जॉशन होता है विच इज़ अ गुड सॉर्ट ऑफ एग्जॉशन, वैसा वाला हो गया मुझे अभी. आई एम टायर्ड बट आई एम सॉर्ट ऑफ लविंग दिस वाइब एंड अच्छा वाला टायर्ड फील हो रहा है, नॉट द वन विच वी डू जब बहुत काम करते हैं मेंटली एग्जॉस्ट होते हैं, वैसा वाला टायर्ड नहीं है ये. सम डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ टायर्ड एंड feeling good about it. So I'm just going to chill and relax with her. You stay tuned. I just enjoy this outside view and just relax. She's relaxing in her own way. This is her chill time. I'm going to have some chill time for myself as well. Yes, and I am up after a good nap. Feeling much more better. स्वामिनी तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, सो दे आर आउट. आई थिंक दे आर एट द लॉन एरिया. आई एम ऑल्सो प्लानिंग टू गो देयर. आई थिंक बहुत टाइम हो गया हमने. माई ब्रेन स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग यू गाइज. बहुत टाइम हो गया. हमने एक्चुअली वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड टी, तो लेट्स गो एंड चेक. मैं भी लॉन एरिया में जाऊँगी और चेक करूँगी कि क्या स्टेटस है टी का. चलो
मम्मी तेरे पे
चाय देते आता.
त्यांना फक्त बघा जाऊ नको इथून जाऊ स्लोली जा मग वॉकिंग करत जा धावायचं नाही.
So as I mentioned that we are here for some special reason and it is Swamini's 4th birthday. So we are here for the same reason and we are going to celebrate it tonight. So stay